Hello guys! Andito tayo ngayon mag-house tour tayo sa bahay namin sa Scarborough. Hi! Mag-hi ka. Ayan, aking asawa. And here's our dog, Jayco. Jayco, say hi. Jayco. Oh no, we're not going. We're going to do a house tour. So kung saan kami nakatira ngayon sa downtown, we're renting there. Pero andito talaga yung place namin sa Scarborough, Agincourt area. So this is a 3-bed, 2.5 bath townhouse. This is the dining area.
Katabi ng balcony, so maliwanag.
Yes. Tsaka, most of I think lahat yan struck tube except for the bench na binili sa marketplace. Okay. And then moving here is the living room. So, hindi man siya ganun kalakihan. Good enough for a family of 4. Aba, si Jayco. Okay, and then over here is the kitchen. Here's the chicken kitchen. Hello, Mami. Nag-house tour kami. Eto, house tour. So, pakita mo yung kitchen mo.
Oh, this is my kitchen.
Okay.
Stove. I just finished cooking. So, cabinet here, cabinet there, water.
And your dish dryer na hindi masyadong ginagamit.
And my fridge.
And this one, where did you get this?
It's from Walfare.
O meron pang menudo. Sarap kaya yun.
And chicken curry.
Where's the chicken curry? Oh my God, Daryl, tingnan mo yung chicken curry. Okay.
Oh.
So that's our lunch later. Alam niyo na, menudo and chicken curry.
Spaghetti here.
Oh, where's the spaghetti? Where? With mushroom?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. And then, ituro mo sila. So, open mo tong cabinet.
This is my, supposed to be my shoe rack.
Mm.
And then I have extra shoe rack here. Here.
So many shoes.
Yeah.
Okay.
So many shoes. Extra shoes here. And then I have another.
That's your guest powder room.
Yeah. I have this powder here. So yeah. So this is it.
Now we will go upstairs. Ayan. Tutur tayo ni Daryl sa dating niyang office. Na office na ngayon ni Mami.
Second floor, so we
Oh, before that, this is the laundry.
laundry. Tapos, may dalawang bedroom.
Okay.
So yung first bedroom is empty right now.
But this used to be, naging office mo rin to, di ba? For a time. Actually, ang dami nang nangyari dito sa room na to. Naging office mo, tapos naging office ko rin. Tapos, nung nandito pa si Chris, dito siya nakatira. I mean, dito siya nagstay. So, right now, may extra bed dito. So, kung sinong bibisita sa amin dito sa Toronto, alam niyo na kung saan kayo magsistay. And then here, may mga extra closet space. Yan. So now wala nang gumagamit dito. Okay. Now we go to our bedroom. I wanna show you. Here is... So before moving to downtown, we stayed here for 4 years. 4 years. Hindi, 5. 4.5. Yeah. So,
transfer yung information. Wala na naka-store na gamit siya.
Oo. Pero dati, there used to be a TV here. And even when we bought this, di ba, kasama na yung mga fixtures. Yes. And then, ito yung Jayco bed. Okay, now we go. So, adjacent to our bedroom is, or used to be, Daryl's home office.
Parang what?
10 square feet.
Not more than
But
It's
it can,
enough space
for at least one,
enough space na to. Kasi may gumagawa sa labas.
may naglilinis. Uy, i-share mo yung stories about these canvas.
So nagpa-print kami ng mga photos.
Mm.
And I think ito yung first set na hanggang nandito pa rin. Photos lang from our travel.
From our travel. So, ito, this is
So,
from...
the left one is this is in Osaka?
Ayun yung castle.
No, that's in Himeji.
Himeji.
Not
And then
Osaka.
that one.
And then the right one. Hindi ka kasama dito.
Hindi, ikaw pala.
Manila Raisa Cats Iris Store in Cambodia.
Kuha mo rin yun.
Yes.
Parehong kuha mo. Okay. So, pakita lang natin. Itong office na to also has an entrance to this other bedroom na pinuntahan natin kanina. So, maraming pwedeng pagtaguan kung gusto mong magtago-tago at huwag magpakita sa mga tao. Now, yung wala masyadong view here.
Working courtyard.
So, dun sa townhouse complex, may visitors parking and ayan siya.
Hindi kalsada yung nasa harap natin. Nasa kabilang side yung kalsada.
Nasa kabila.
Pero dito, kita mo yung courtyard. So, may mga visitor parking. And yan, may mga trees. In front of us, yung ginkgo tree. It turns...
True. Ikwento ko lang, itong space na to, kung saan nakatayo si Daryl, may work setup ako dyan. So, yeah. So, as you can imagine, COVID days when everyone was working from home, so may gumagamit dun sa home office, si Chris naman nandun sa room niya. Ako, meron akong office setup here. Pero without that, medyo, spacious naman siya. Alright. So, this is our bedroom. So on the second floor, there are two bedrooms and one home office and the laundry. And pakita natin tong door na to and where it leads. So very rare namin tong binubuksan. Sa second floor, meron pang isang pinto which leads to a hallway.
Parang wala namang way para bumaba.
Let's mag-stairs.
Parang weird na entrance.
So it could be an emergency exit.
Siguro ito yung only the second time.
Now we're going to the third floor. Yung third floor, ayun yung buong floor na primary bedroom na ginagamit nila mommy and nila daddy.
Remember, here in Canada, no one says master's bedroom anymore.
Yes. Alam niyo yan, mga woke. Bawal na daw gamitin ng master's bedroom.
Implies slaves. So, hindi na siya pwedeng gamitin. Now, called primary.
Primary bedroom. So, here's my beautiful mom. Look at mommy.
Did you also take a look at this bathroom?
No.
No.
Okay. So, this used to be our bathroom. Pero, syempre ngayon, hindi na kami dito nagsistay. The whole shower area, yan, newly renovated. So, itong shower area, hindi siya actually tiles. I don't know kung ano yung material na to. This thing. It's not tiles, but
Parang wrap around.
parang naka-wrap around siya. Okay. Ngayon, pupunta tayo sa primary bedroom. Let's go! So, on the third floor, walkathon na sila mami. Pag akyat, meron this parang space for... Dati actually office mo to, di ba, Mi?
Yes.
But since marami ng space dito. Nag-move na siya dun sa second floor office. Pero this used to be her office space. Now, anong mga nakalagay dito sa mga box na to? Office supplies. Office supplies? Naku, baka sabihin na kumukuha ka ng bond paper sa office. Not really. Okay.
Bought our own supplies.
This is the primary bedroom. Thank you for correcting me. Ayan. So, i-share mo, Mi, kung ano yung mga nakalagay dyan sa mga drawer mo.
Drawer ko.
Dito.
Here. This is for the medicine supplies.
Lahat yan, medicine.
Yeah. So, for diabetic, for...
Look, dahil bawal sa kanilang mag-uto, meron silang personal fridge. Wala naman talaga yung fridge na yan before. But, yun nga, bawal mag-uto. What's in your fridge? Ay, walang laman. Wala nang laman.
But we need to replenish.
Just chocolates. Ano ba yan? Kung ano, sino pa yung diabetic, yung pa yung nag-chocolate.
And
At saka candy.
yeah. And then this is my prayer.
Oh, this is important. Oh, ikwento mo yung...
This is where I pray every day in the morning after waking up.
Alam mo pa ba kung saan galing itong mga
Those are from...
friends and family?
No. Only from auntie and...
From
Tita
auntie.
Presi. Yeah, Tita Presi.
Okay.
And this is my
Ay, nako, ang bike na hindi ginagamit.
stationary bike. I seldom use it
Why?
because
Oh.
I prefer to walk.
Let's share your bedside table and your perfume collection.
There's no more perfume.
Ay, wala na.
Yeah, there's no-
Ay, ano na lang yung mga nasa drawer mo?
Oh. My accessories, jewelry, watches.
Yung jewelry yung galing Green Hills.
No,
No?
this is from Bulacan. And then
Bulacan.
Yeah.
O mag-hi ka. Hi sa mga taga May Kawayan, Bulacan. Sabihin mo hello. Batiin mo sila.
hello. Shout out sa mga family and friends ko dyan sa Bulacan.
Sino yung mga...
Orbe
Nandun
family, Tajama family. Who else? I think that's all.
Orbe
Orbe and
Tajama.
Tajama.
Okay.
And I also have some jewelry here. Yeah. From Lola.
From Lola.
And then my medicine before going to bed.
Wait, let's show them how many pillows you have. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pillows. So many pillows.
Extra pillow for nap in the afternoon.
Ay, naku, sinabi mo yun na.
Why?
Baka makita ng mga office mate. O, pakita mo na. Lastly, your walk-in
Oh
closet.
my God.
Okay. So,
This is
it's
my...
also a walk-in closet raid. Mami, go show. Oh
all the
my
luggages
God.
And
Teka lang ha, guys. So, lahat to gamit nyo lang ni Daddy.
Yes. And
Yan.
luggages, and bag, and shoes.
Alam mo, parang pwesto na to sa Green Hills.
One day I will rearrange those.
Ilang towel meron to. Kaloka.
Ang daming
bag.
bedsheet.
Maleta.
Extra.
May mga laman to.
Yes. Meron pa akong mga, ano doon? Comforter. And bonnet. And Christmas
Ay, mga Christmas decors. Okay, so we can't show you the primary bedroom washroom, but that's
Look
it.
at the star. What do you call this?
Oh, let's show them. Meron nga palang balcony na hindi naman ginagamit kasi nga.
But we have Christmas light.
Malinis ba dyan sa labas?
Actually,
Hindi masyado.
alikabok. Yung
Okay, and then
alikabok
from here, you can also see the same view.
from the same unit.
Yes.
Opposite the same.
Okay, so that's our house tour of our townhouse here in Scarborough. Now, we're gonna go and maybe prepare for lunch. Thank you for joining us. See you later.